Hello student, my name is Sagar Vasantlankar and I am presenting on video presentation. So my topic is motion of the follower. So first one is introduction. Introduction in cam and follower mechanism. The follower is a component that moves in response to the shape and motion of a rotating cam. This mechanism is widely used in machinery, especially in engine, textile machines and automation system to convert rotary motion into a desired reciprocating or oscillating motion. The motion of the follower depends on the cam profile and how the follower is constant to move. The design of the motion is circular for achieving smooth and effective mechanical operation. So, second types of motion. There are four main type of the motion of the follower. First one is the uniform velocity. Second one is the simple harmonic motion such as SHM. Third one is the uniform acceleration and retardation. And fourth one is cycloidal motion. So first one is displacement, velocity and acceleration diagram. When follower moves with uniform velocity. So this C diagram, displacement diagram. So A to B point is rise path and B to C point is dwell path and C to D point is return path and D to E point is dwell. And then velocity diagram direction downward. So acceleration diagram. Second displacement diagram when followers move with simple harmonic motion. So first one is simple harmonic motion. Draw the diagram. So half circle 180 degree divided into 8 parts. Each part degree 22.5 degrees Celsius. So draw the perpendicular line each part 8 points and intersect the point to connected path. A to B point is simple harmonic motion path. S is stroke length and delta R is return path. Displacement diagram. In a cam and follower system, the motion of the follower is very important. Its displacement can be plotted against the angular displacement theta of the cam and it is called as the displacement diagram. The displacement of the follower is plotted along the axis and angular displacement. Theta of the cam is plotted along x-axis. Angle O is equal to angle of ascent such as outer stroke length. Theta R is equal to angle of descent such as return path and return yes, S is equal to stroke length. From the displacement diagram, velocity y and acceleration of the follower can also be plotted for different angular displacement theta of the cam. So simple harmonic motion diagram, velocity diagram, projection see here. हाफ सर्कल मॅक्स व्ह्यू म्हणजे आउटर व्हेलॉसिटी डायग्राम मॅक्झिमम रिटर्न व्हेलॉसिटी डायग्राम साइन्स कर्व व्हेलॉसिटी डायग्राम and see acceleration diagram. So thank you.